sandalwood. And this is 500 liter HM Herbal's sandalwood distillation unit, which can intake 50 kg raw material of sandalwood. What makes this unit stand out is its compact design and impressive efficiency. This unit is such way designed which is distill every precious drop of sandalwood oil out of the sandal heartwood, whether you are working with red or brown sandalwood. One of the unique features is the added pre-cooling system combined with a heavy condenser. This setup really helps maximize the yield, ensuring you don't lose a single bit of that valuable oil. That unit runs on an electric steam generator, which means you can control the pressures precisely for optimal distillation. The process is straightforward. Once you have the right electric connections, you prepare your sandalwood flax sized between 5 to 10 mm and load them into the vessels. Then steam is carefully released into the chamber. Gently break molecule of the oil to separate and collect in the separators. Our overseas clients have been thrilled with the results. They are able to distill sandalwood, heartwood like never before, with a system that's reliable, efficient, and surprisingly user-friendly. If you have ever worked with the sandalwood distillation, you know how important it is to balance temperature and pressure, and this unit handles that. In the end, it's not just about the unit, it's about distillating high-quality sandal oil. Contact to our WhatsApp number to purchase HM Herbal's distillation unit. Thank you very much.